Good day everyone. I'm Shantabuyo and I'm a BSc student, a second year student, and today I'll be discussing abstract classes in Python na kung what they are, how they work, and why they help us to write cleaner and more consistent code. So let's get started. So, yun yun, no? So, everyone, good day ulit. Ito na nga yung tatalakayan natin sa ating subject na Object-Oriented Programming or OOP, which is instructor led by Sir Andy Bayonon, and I'm Shantaboy ulit. I'm BSCS, second year. So, tatalakayan natin ang abstract classes in OOP. So, dito, we'll seek and tackle about the definition and scope. Una is what are abstract classes. Second is example in animal and human sounds. And lastly is why they matter in real-world coding. In abstract classes in Python are special classes that act as blueprint or pinaka-blueprint or pinaka-base para ma-define siya na as subclass or abstract class. You cannot create objects directly from them. Instead, they define abstract methods that subclasses are required to implement. This enforces consistency across different parts of a program in Python. We use the ABC module with ABC helper or ABC and abstract method to build abstract classes. Now let's tackle to example in animal and human. Let's take an example. Imagine an abstract class called SoundMaker with an abstract method make sound. Every subclass must implement this method. For animals, a cat might return to meow, and bird might return to tweet, and for humans, a singer could return to la 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 or la la la, and a speaker could return to hello everyone. The interface is the same, make sound, but the behavior changes depending on the subclass. This shows how abstract classes enforce structure while allowing flexibility. And next in scope is, ito muna example natin, no? In the abstract class, SoundMaker method is make sound. As I said earlier, is cat turns to meow, bird to tweet, singer to la 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 or la la la, speaker to hello. Same method, different outputs. Always remember that. So, let's tackle in why they matter in real life or real world coding. Abstract classes matter because they enforce a common interface across different implementations. This prevents incomplete code and keeps programs organized. No? In real world projects, abstract classes are used in systems like payment gateways, plugins, or device drivers. They make sure every subclass follows the same rule, while still allowing each other one to provide its own unique behavior. This combination of consistency and flexibility is what makes abstract classes so powerful in software design. So this is the definition, no? That abstract class is a class that cannot be instantiated or directly. Instead, it defines the abstract methods, which is ito. Malalaman mo abstract method to, ma-define siya as abstract class kung meron ka nito. No? This defines abstract methods that subclasses must implement. In Python, we use the ABC module to create abstract classes. Now, let's try na to code animal sounds. Here's an example. The abstract class SoundMaker defines the method make sound. Ito yun. Na example natin, the cat subclass implements it with meow. Meow. And the bird implements it with tweet. So, tara. Let's talakayin, no? So, yan. Actually, I make it na. And because my video is cutted, so let's make another one. So yun, explain ko na lang siya dito, no, na kailangan mo ng Ito yung pinakakailangan mo sa lahat para ma-define at gumana lahat ng subclasses mo. So tara, umpisa na natin. So from ABC module to ABC, abstract method. Abstract method. Kailangan ng hashtag. Lagi tandaan, kailangan ng hashtag. Abstract. Ito yung pinaka-base mo kasi. This is your base, as in base mo. Final base para ma-define siya as abstract class. And now, para mapagana mo siya, you need the sound maker and a helper. And abstract method. Define make sound. Define make sound, return to self. And pass. Ngayon, dito nalalabas yung ating subclass, no? Ating subclass 1. Subclass 1 natin is class. Ganyan yung cat. And we need a sound maker. Next is, i-define naman natin yung sound niya, no? Def make underscore sound and self. And let's, ito yung guys, sabi ko kanina sa slide, return to meow. Next is, so meron na tayong subclass na cat, subclass 2, 4. Ang class natin is bird. Sound maker, def make sound. Pala nakita ko yung maligo dyan. Wait lang ha. Ito yung maligo dyan. Spacing yan. Diba? See? I told you. Return to tweet. Kasi tweet. Tweet ko. Tweet. So, para lumabas kasi, pag niran mo yan, pag niran mo yan, ay, wait lang, may mali ako. Abstract method. Sorry, ito. Sorry. Ayan, import. So, pag niran mo yan, blank lang yan. So, kailangan, para mapalabas mo yung sound niya, you need to print them. Print animals, yun sila yon. Animal in, box tayo dyan. Cat, no? Bird. And sorry, 4 yan. Sorry. Madali na ako. 4 print animal dot make sound. So, yan na yung final natin. See? Lumabas dito is yung meow and tweet. So, lumabas siya. So, ibig sabihin, gumana. So, successful. Now, let's try in human. Dito naman tayo sa human, no? Sa human tayo. Human. Dito naman, abstract classes aren't limited to animals. Here, singer and speaker are subclasses of sound maker. ang literal na sound maker nila. No? Ito ang sound maker. Each implements make sound. Different ones, differently. Yung isa nakanta, which is yung singer, and yung isa speaker. So, let's get started. Kopya. Magpasa tayo. Human sound. How about here? So, dito, no, actually, same lang din sila, no? As is lang din sila dito sa animals and humans. As is lang naman, same lang din naman sila. And same method, same code, and ang change ko lang, syempre, ang animal is a cat, bird is a animal. So, ang akin is, since sila ay singer and, what you call this? Speaker, so they are person. So, onting changes lang and everything's fine. So, dito tayo, focus tayo dito, no? Ito ang pinaka-final output natin. Hello everyone, said as a speaker, and la la la, said as the singer. Now, balik tayo sa atin. Ayun, no? Usage demo. In usage demo, we can rely on every subclass to respond make sound. This consistency is powerful. It means we can treat cats, birds, and humans the same way in code, even though their sound differ. So, meron din tayo ditong instantiation error. If you try to create SoundMaker objects directly, Python raises a type error that prevents incomplete code for running. Example natin to. 'Di ba? SoundMaker. Try natin yan, ha. Try natin yan. Sound equals to SoundMaker daw. Sige, try natin yan, ha. Pag dinirect natin yan to sound maker, error daw, sound maker is not defined, as isa sinabi dito sa instantiation error. So, why it matters, no? Abstract classes are useful because they enforce a common interface. For example, all sounds makers must have a make sound method, but each can implement differently. This keeps code organized and predictable. In conclusion, or to summarize, abstract classes provide a blueprint for every subclasses, enforce consistency, and allow flexibility in implementation. They are foundation for advanced object-oriented programming concepts. So, dito lang tayo nagtatapos, and thank you for listening, and I hope you've learned something today on what we've discussed, and I'm glad that you've stayed until the very end. Once again, thank you, and if there's other concern and you want to ask me, feel free. This is my contacts and email, and don't hesitate to reach out to me. And once again, thank you for listening, and have a great day.